our first small smart thing for Er9x is about FPV control during FPV flying. And my friend from Germany, Michael Gewer, asked me if is it possible control some elements by student radio on channel 7 and 8, because on standard trainer setup window you can select only channel 1, 2, 3, 4, no more. But you can set in all standard mixes, you can set as source PPM 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. PPM from student radio. Yes. This is radio of teacher, this is radio of student, or Pilot 1, Pilot 2, or Copilot. Here is my model where aileron 1 is on channel 1, next aileron is on channel 5, elevator is on channel 2, motor in channel 3, rudder on channel 4, and these two flaps, imagine like channels or servos for camera mounting, for example tilt and pan for camera on FPV airplane. Yes, these two flaps are not flaps. This is camera mounting on FPV airplane. Yes. Model in Pilot 1 radio is with standard trainer setup. Yes, standard trainer setup, channel 1, 2, 3, 4 for standard flying channels, elevator, throttle, rudder, ailerons. Same model, of course, must have on trainer option. Trainer must be on. If trainer option is on, we can 4 channels controlled by student. If not, not. What about mixes? Channel 1, aileron, standard mix, same elevator, throttle, 3, 4, rudder, channel 5. Next aileron, second aileron, and this is more interesting. Channel 6 and 7, because we know, remember, 6 and 7 channels are channels of camera mounting on our FPV plane. When is switch aileron, switch aisle, if is switch aisle, switch off, top position, we control these channels 6 and 7 by potentiometer P2 and P3. Yes, channel 6 P2 when top position of aisle switch. Same channel 7 with small change P3. Yes, when is aisle on top position, we control channel 7 with P3 potentiometer. But if aisle is on bottom position, when is aisle switch on, you can see as source in same channel is used PPM7. This means PPM7 is channel 7 from student radio. channel 7 from student radio is PPM7 source. And same on channel 7 when is like source used PPM8. Yes, PPM8 is channel 8 from student or Copilot radio. Yeah, this is about pilot number 1, main pilot or teacher radio. What student or Copilot? Copilot have standard 4-channel model, but how you can see, all mixes are with switch. All mixes about controlling of flight are on if is this switch off. If is switch aisle on up position, you will control fly. We can switch aisle is in up position. How you can see in graphic banners, stripes, I will control channels 1, 2, 3, 4 and channel 7 and 8, because on channel 7 and 8 I have P2 and P3 source used. Yes. If is switch aisle in up position, if is this switch off. One important thing, how you can see on throttle channel, throttle number 3, I have minus 100% max when air is down. This is important because without this mix, 0 position of throttle channel means half throttle. Yes, 50% of throttle. Try, you will see what I mean. This mix is important. Okay. And back to channel 7 and 8. How I say channel 7, when switch is in up position, switch aisle, I will control channel 7 and 8 with potentiometer P2 and P3. When switch is down, and remember, when this switch is down, I will not control flying with this sticks. When is switch down, I will channel 7 and 8 control with this stick. I'll channel 7 and L channel 8. When this switch down, maybe it's a little bit maybe I now delete, no, maybe it's a little bit difficult for understanding, but you will see it's very easy. Okay, real flying. When all switches are in up position, pilot 1 control model with pilot 1 radio and control camera mounting with potentiometer P2 and P3. When teacher switch on this switch L is defined as our trainer switch. model is controlling not by teacher or pilot 1, but is controlled by student or copilot. Yes, but camera mounting still is controlled by main pilot or teacher. Yes, when teacher wants controlling of camera mount by student, switch aisle down, and now how you can see main pilot or pilot number 1 or teacher, nothing is controlled by teacher, all is controlled by student. Flying and camera mounting too. But when teacher wants control flying, he must switch off this switch LE. Now main pilot is controlling flying, but camera mounting is controlled by student. And when student wants control camera mounting more comfortable, he can switch down this switch and student can control camera mount with stick. Of course, both pilots must know what to do. Yes, it's necessary. Yes. Probably this is a standard setup. Pilot number one control flying, and copilot is controlling camera mount. Of course, same goes. Sorry for my English. It's very complicated for explanation in Czech language. In English language is for me a little bit pain. Yes, I think that's all.